G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. Welcome to Loch, the home of online gaming, wonderful views and Australian wildlife. I do hope you like these videos, if so please subscribe.
G'day all, how you all going? Now I was just about to wander off down to the lake, but the rain's kicked in a little bit and it's about 22 past 10. Now, and I've also noticed these two birds here. These are the white cockies I was telling you about that haven't got, you got the white crest and the eyes are blue. Got that blue around the eyes. And now you can hear the rain coming down. But we've also got their little friends up here that have that home in that bird box closest to us. These ones here go, we want food. The colour of that beautiful bird. Well, I'll let them eat because I don't want to walk past them and disturb them. Plus the rain's kicked in as well. I want to get a good shot of them. It's zoomed in halfway. And the rain will probably stop soon anyway. That noise you can hear is these birds have their nest up in the upstairs somewhere. They've got a little spot in the veranda up there. They've got a little nest there, which is annoying. So they're going to kick in harder or it's going to stop. If not, I can always come back to the beach and do another video. I'm in no hurry. Oh, what a beautiful sound this rain is. Where's that one looking at? Gorgeous, aren't they? Look at that. So you can see the eyes are totally different. The beak's different as well. And the thing, if anybody knows what the name of this bird is, please let me know, because I don't know the name of it. So the one with the yellow crescent, they're the most annoying ones. I've only seen two of these birds at any given one time. I have not seen any more than two of these birds. Oh, I'll let that film. I'll do a quick video on the camera, on the phone as well. G'day Loch, how you all going? I'm recording these birds at the moment having a feed from the other camera, and I'll press it up later. And we have this magical thing called rain. It's actually starting to fall down. Which is really good. Sort of stopping me going to the lake a little bit, but now after these two birds stop me. Because if anybody knows what these two ones are, now these ones here have a blue around the eye. They have a different beak, different feet, and they've got a white crescent instead of a yellow crescent. You can't really see it too much on this phone, the best quality, but I'm making another video, so I'm hoping to put that up before I've got the right. Now it's capturing, I might zoom this one out a little bit. I'll quickly show you with this one if I can open it up without disturbing the camera out at all. So that's zoomed in halfway there. I want to try to capture that quite nicely. But I'm waiting for the rain to stop a little bit so I can go outside and down to the beach to do the usual videos. But as I said before on the other camera, I've only seen 2 of these type of birds around. I've never seen more than 2. And we've got our friends, the little ones up there, the colourful ones. They have a nest here. They're waiting to get fed too. There's 3 feeders, so technically 4. The other ones are more for magpies and other things. We throw food scraps into the other one, like meat and stuff like that they eat, and you can't throw in the compost. So we try not to throw any food into the hard rubbish at all. Either it goes into the compost bins or goes to the birds. Some things you get no choice, like bones, like fish bones and stuff like that, and chicken bones, we have no choice at those things. I'm thinking I want to eventually get a biogas chamber. And that way there I can actually have food, I can actually have gas. Gives you gas, a byproduct of that 3 hours of cooking, and also gives you a byproduct of fertilizer, liquid fertilizer. Oh wow, there it is. In the tree, just chilling out there. You can see all the rain now coming down. Oh, I don't know what you can do about that. The rain comes down like this. And the people walking down the pathway. Might put my rain jacket on actually. And go make my video. I'll see how it goes. We've got all day to make it. No, I'm going to end this video here. You all take it easy, everyone. Have a good day. I'll zoom this out now. We've just gone onto the bird feeder there. Onto the bird nest, I should say, not bird feeder. Go inside. Welcome back. Now, the battery just ran out. Said I still had over an hour, so I'll zoom this right back out again. Rain's still there. But we'll record it a little bit longer, and then we'll wander off down to the beach. That's zoomed in halfway. And we'll just let that do its thing. Just my phone sharing. Posting it up. I'm trying to figure out if does anybody know what type of bird this is. I really would like to know what type of particular name for it. I can hear the water now going into the tank, which is good. I hope we get like a constant rain, but yeah, only if we're really lucky. Oh, the other one just popped out of its nesting area. What's it up to? Beautiful animal. Oh well. I'm gonna have to shoot off. And when this other one finishes posting, I'll probably shoot off and go down to the lake and then go down to the ocean. Just trying to get a really good shot of them. Oh, they got the other one there now. See if I can catch a both and see what they're going to do for a little bit. Oh, they're quite happily eating away there in this rain. See, the one up here in the tree, I believe, the left-hand one, is actually female. If you look at the crest on this on the colour, it's very dull. I've noticed that with these birds. You've got one which is the exact same colours, but this one has a dull red. And if the other one turned around, I should be able to show you the crest of this one, which would be much more vibrant. You can see a bit of head anyway, it's a much more vibrant colour. It looks like it's not going to turn around for us, so I've had some good shots of both of them together, and both their crests together. There it is, it did turn around. Such a nice bird. See how vibrant this colour is? It's more vibrant than the other one. Beautiful though. It's got a white crest, white mark there. Does that one have a white mark or not? Ah. Doesn't. Huh. Beautiful, aren't they? Been in a fight, I think. But normally it doesn't have a white mark there. It's either molting or it's been in a fight or something like that. I've never noticed that white mark before. It's normally more vibrant in the colours too. It just kind of might be the light of the day or something. Huh. Might be just me. Oh well, I'm eventually gonna have to wander off. The magpie's gonna hang it around. Here, the baby one. I filled up the bird bath for him because it was completely bone dry. This one's having a field day. Oh, he's looking like he's about to fly. There he goes. Ah. Huh. Well, they're touchy too. Now there's two other bird feeders. The little ones can go to the other ones. They're not going to get attacked. Huh. And tying off where it wants to go gets the bird feed. Okay, now we've got makes it interesting, and Maggie. Even crows are afraid of him. Oh no, he's just flying off. I might have to get my raincoat. Oh well. Just want to see what this little bird up here does. Fine. Go back in. Looks like it's going to go back to the nest. Check out its young. That looks beautiful. Oh well, looks like I might have to go get my raincoat. I'll leave this on here for a bit and I'll go get the raincoat. And then see what other birds pop in and pop out maybe. Down there. Also catch a bit of the lake as well. Oh well, we'll be back. Oh, it looks like the rain has settled in, which is good. And they decided to fly off. That's perfect. Oh well. My name's Wilfred West from Loch Sport, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.